Good evening. Today I'm going to try to compile Xtux. Xtux is a game. It appears to be an X-based game, and so I will have my XSDL server ready and running for if and when this game actually compiles. And as you can see, it says it cannot find the uint8_t variable in the tux.h variable, so I will go into my work link, and I will go into the games directory, and I will look for the Xtux source directory, and go into the Xtux source directory. Go into the common directory, because that's what it says right over here, and I will look for the file called xtux.h. And I will duplicate that file, and I will rename that file. So the last part of the file has a .rig on it. Means original. And just go like this, and you know exactly what I'm going to do. You know exactly how to solve this problem. I at least believe I know exactly how to solve this problem. I'm going to type, click on the little pencil so I could actually write. I will type the word #include, and I'll do this. I'll do stdint.h, and I'll do that. Save it. That's a text file. I'll do the press enter, and wow. Hopefully I'll avoid that error, and yes I did. Keeps going. And let's see how far no such file or directory syssignal h. That is a header. We'll look in the POSIX directory and verify my memory is correct that signal is actually in the POSIX directory and not in the sys directory that is in POSIX. And therefore, I shall change the clnet file. It's probably under client here. clnet c. Duplicate it, change the last part of the name to .rig, no matter what it is, .rig. Then in this case, I'll open this thing up. I will click on the pencil, and I will erase the sys part, and I will click on the save button and close this once again. I'll hit the do key. And then I will observe that I'm getting undefined references to socket, get peer name, get host by address, all of which appear to be a missing library network. What to do, what to do. The first thing to do is to go ahead and look in, actually the Pkgsrc makefile, for the chance that someone wanted to build this for CentOS, and for the chance that they've actually modified the makefile for such, because CentOS is somewhat a problem. They haven't, so now I'm left to guess how I'm going to get network into this program. And that doesn't make any sense. I think I'm going to try is the LD flags under my settings, because I'm feeling lucky. Yeah, it's kind of like something you just throw in there. Yes, I have a build a Quake, and no, it doesn't work, so go figure. Okay, Xtux here, Xtux, and sometimes it'll just work. Sometimes it won't, and sometimes it won't unless you pick some other option, like, yes, it didn't work. Okay, so maybe it's the libs option. Edit, copy, cut. Please. Go like this, paste, and then we just do that. Try it again. Of course, we have a stubborn build, which is very interesting to put on camera, but we'll see how it goes. We'll get rid of it. And try it again. And if not, then I gotta grep through grep through the directory and try to figure out exactly where it passes its libraries, because it's not even clear it's on the make file. I hate these. And then figure out how I'm going to modify the thing and hope it doesn't want to change on me like some of them do. Like some of them do. This has nowhere to pass libraries. So that's okay. Here, I like this. Okay, on this one, this is a neat trick. See where it says math library? I've done this before. And I forgot to keep my changes from before, which was in the common. Make duplicate of this. Edit the name, call it original. Now, wherever this was made, whoever's made it, standard INT is something else. Yeah. Okay, so that error should be overcome. I don't know if I'm going to overcome the undefined references. I have this signal H. Yeah, that's predictable too. Where is this thing? It's called what? CLNet. Yes, I did this before. I forgot to keep them. I forgot to make patches before I moved on. Okay. Just go over here. Get rid of that. Oh, read only. Annoying. Yeah. Let's put all the barriers in the way. Why not? Right. And still nothing. So I'm probably going to have to substitute classes on 3 make files, which is going to be real fun. And hopefully it won't decide to change the make. That's been patched, hasn't it? So maybe I can make a patch actually. And then common. Yeah, that's okay. Duplicate. Original. Yeah. So I gotta make. All you gotta do is remember to make patches. Open. Okay, we're getting any kind of libraries here. I might be able to do, minus L network somewhere here. I'm gonna wait a second. Maybe it's not gonna be necessary. I'm gonna get the server. And I'll duplicate that. Edit name over there. Blah blah blah. A rig. Now that was created just now. That's just very, very, very strange. Or maybe I've already subbed out. Yeah, I've already subbed out math library for. So that actually need to change. I'm tired of these read-onlys. LM, that's the original. I went to patch and I went to patch correctly. It might have a missupply, but I'll deal with it. Okay, and then we get this thing open with. Do we have any kind of? Let's see how it goes now. I just need library network in my freaking make file. Okay. And it looks like it's going to work. Now, at least it's going to build, but is it going to work? Did I make crapware because all I've done is I've added, let's see, 2 headers and library network. So what's the issue? What's the deal? Why is it, if it doesn't work, why is it not working? Now, the assumption is it's probably an X program, so let's just get this XSDL going. And of course, going to go up here and delete from the cache and the temp, which requires 2 hands. Try her again. Okay, so now we got an X server. Now let's wait till this damn thing installs. Maybe I can actually place something that I've actually used. So this didn't work. Instead, I'm going to have to make patches, so it doesn't always work. I could have done substitute clock. Okay. Boot, home, package, bin, xt, u, x. It's going to work. Well, I'll be damned. There's something here. Connection refused. Hello. Yeah. Not connected to what? Supposed to be localhost 8390. Let's see what's running. We have 3 instances of SXDL. Prints that we do not have. What's going on? Did it just die? An XSDL server. Now I have to wonder, I'm going to look to see whether there's something else I have to be running. Like an Xtux server. Pkgsrc. Well, that's important. So we've got 2 of them we need. All right. Applications terminal. Let's see. Is it Tux? Yeah, there it is. Now let's see. All right. So what? How do you play this? I don't know if do I even have a mouse. Let's walk around. Can I turn? If I could look. So you can shoot. The spacebar shoots. Okay. So, all right. Well, can I walk? up arrow walks, and then left and right turns you. I can't believe I actually have to have a server running on this, so it's working. That was fun. Yeah, I wanted to do this. So maybe I'll just stop here because it's a build and it works. So actually, you know what? I'm not really done. This is what I'm gonna do. Let me tell you what I'm gonna do. Actually, where am I? Where's my build? I gotta return to my build because I did not make patches. Make the patches, and those patches are end up going in the Pkgsrc directory. It's games, Xtux, and patches. And the ones that have 0 bytes for both the original and the new one are actually things that have not been patched. So that's in the common directory, so I did not need to make that duplicate. I got a Tux header, I got a server, and a client. At least. Set that aside, font, paste, and get rid of those because aren't necessary. And of course, we're here. Where are we? The question is, did I change anything here? Math library. See, this is not going to be compatible with, where do I throw in my other variables though? It's not going to be compatible with the other systems. Label this a replacement patch. Close up my settings. Close up my settings. On this, I didn't do anything with that. Please keep focus. Thank you. Didn't do that. And this, I might. It's a make file, but it doesn't have stuff I changed, I don't believe. In fact, they're the same size. It's pretty good reassurance I didn't. So, I got my patches in place. I could make a patch sum. Make patch sum. I'm done. Patch sum won't apply to the ones I've set aside, but it will apply to the kit. Should I just decide to distribute said kit? Just walk around, try to figure out what the hell's going on here. Wait. Back. We can get to the office from the roof of the skyscraper. Alrighty. Are they eating me? Are they like zombies? I guess they are. Okay, so I'm done. Yes. I'm really gonna quit. Alright, done.